Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sobami Juliana. If today is your first time watching my video, welcome to my channel. And please do share my videos. Share my videos to your loved ones, anyone that appeals to you. Just share my video and also like the video at the end. And if you've not subscribed, please do so. I'm just pleading with you guys to support me. So today we'll be making this beautiful cowl bubu kaftan dress. Beautiful bubu cowl kaftan dress. You see how beautiful it is? We'll be making exactly this style. I made this a couple of days ago and I've decided to share with you guys. Yes, that's what friends are. So I want to share this with you guys. You can make one for yourself or for your loved one. So let's go straight to it. So today we'll be working with this fabric. This fabric is a chiffon fabric. It looks like silk. You can make it with any fabric of your choice. So and the measurement is the measurement you need is your neck measurement. It's a simple dress. It doesn't need much measurement and taking all that math and all that. I know it's really sometimes stressful, but so it's a simple dress like I said. So the first thing to do is to take your get a fabric that measures 42 inches length. That's the measurement of this fabric because it's a short dress. I equally have my previous video on how to make a long bubu cowl kaftan dress. If you check my video, you will see that. So but today we are making the short one. So the measurement we need is a 42 inches length and also 60 inches width. So 42 by 60. When unfold is 30, like I folded it into two. One will be my back panel and the one is my front panel. So when you get you fold your fabric, like say it's already folded into two. How we're gonna work with it. So the next thing to do is to take your shoulder. My shoulder measurement is 8 inches. Yeah, so I'll take 8 inches from here and yeah, I'll take 8 inches, which is here. So after that, because we'll be working with the whole sleeve, we are not going to cut anything out. So let me make sure they are equal. Let me take the 8 inches again. I just want to make sure everything is good. Yes, it's okay. My shoulder length now, because it's on fold now. So like you can draw your slope, just your shoulder line. I'll just put it like so from there so that you can know exactly what you are doing. Draw it. It's hard to draw on this type of fabric. We're going to manage it like so. I'll draw it like this, my shoulder line. So I've measured out 8 inches, which is my my neckline, my shoulder line. So after that, I'll take 2 inches here as my slope, but because let me use this, yes, down here as my shoulder slope. So I'll draw it like so. So the next thing to do now is to take my neckline, back and front one. The front one I will take it's okay, let me say I want it to have a like V-neck. I'll take 8 inches here, and the width is I'll take 4 inches from here. That's 4, and I'll cover it like so. You see how I drew the line now? Or I can go like and I'll go like this because I want it V, not necessarily. Yes, I have the V neckline now. It's well pronounced now. So then I'll take the back measurement. The back, the width is still the same 4, but the depth I will take 1.5, which is here, and I'll curve it again like so. I'll curve it again. You see, this is back and this is the front, the V. So after this, we're almost done with the measurement. The next thing is to, from your shoulder, measure out, take 29 inches from your shoulder, which is below your waist. Sorry, below, a little bit below your hip. Not there, a little bit below your hip. So 29 inches is just below middle, 28 and 30 for me. So I take 29 inches and I'll mark it, which is here. So after that, I'll draw a line. I'll draw a straight line from there where I mark it. The line is not coming on properly. I will just use my hand and make it well pronounced. So after this, the next thing to do is to take our armhole. So on this dress, we are not going to leave the sleeve like normal sleeve from here. It's going to come from here, from the shoulder. I will leave my sleeve from the shoulder. So right from my neckline, I'll measure. Yes, I will. You know, we already have 8 inches here, 8 inches, and it's left 21 inches because the total of this is 30. So from that 21 again, I will take my sleeve. So from here to here is 21 inches. I will take my sleeve measurement. So, and the first of all, before I do that, I will draw my shoulder slope. I'll use my hand like so. I don't wanna, if I use that ruler, it doesn't go well. I'll draw it till it meets with this line here. So from here now, I'll take my armhole. Okay, from 8 inches to here is I'll take from that 8, I'll take okay, let's say I'll take 12 inches. Where the 12 inches, just right from my 8 inches, my regular neckline, I'll mark, yeah, I'll mark 13 inches. Or let me do it 10. From my right 8, I'll take 10. Or let's leave it 12. So 12 inches from there, and I'll take my armhole. It's a small armhole. It's not like a big sleeve, just where your hands will just come out from. So I'll take 7 inches from there, which stops here. That's my armhole. So now, we're almost done with the measurement. So right now, the next thing to take is from here, I'll take my waistline. My waistline is 48 inches. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. So I'll measure 12 inches now. right where I'm at the place I took the for the I took the measurement of 29 inches. I'll place my waistline. So now 12 inches plus 2, here is my 12 inches plus 2 inches sewing allowance, or let me make it 3 inches sewing allowance. From there, 12, 3 inches sewing allowance, which will be on 15. So from that 15, can I have that ruler? I will draw my line till the end of my fabric. I'll use my hand as well and draw it till the end. So I don't have to cut out anything. It's a short dress and I have enough fabric for that. I think the length is good. So from here now, I will draw a curve. I will draw a curve like so till the end. So I'm going to sew this from here now till the end. I'm going to sew all this place. I'm not going to leave it like before. You have to leave here for your armhole, but our armhole is coming from here on top of my shoulder. So I'm going to sew from here till the end of this place, and then sew from here to here and leave this place for my armhole, and also I sew down the shoulder. So right now I'm going to cut it. Let me have that scissors. I'm going to cut it out and I will show you guys the next step. Yes, guys, I've finished. Like this is the whole dress. I've separated it, the front and back panels, and now I've pinned it down. See, I've pinned it down from the end, right from the end there till here, like round. I'm going to sew it till here and leave this space like 5 to 6 inches, and I will sew again the neck from here to here, the shoulder from the neck to the shoulder here. I will leave this space, sew it round to the end. I will equally sew the other side, and here is my neckline. I've already made a like bias tape. I use my fabric, the same fabric, to make like create something like bias, my fabric bias, to make the neckline, both the side, the back panel and the front panel. So I'll do that. I'll sew it down. You see, I use my pins. I'll sew it down and come back to show you guys the next step, how to make the arm, the sleeve opening. I will sew it down, but I'll come and show you guys that step. Yes, guys, I'm at the edge of sewing the sleeves. Remember before I told you guys I will insert the sleeves here, but I changed my mind. I decided to insert the sleeves the normal place. I took 7 inches length from this end to this place, and I leave it open. Now I folded it, like I turned my fabric. I folded it into 2. You can see my pins are still here. I've already sewn down this side. You see, it's done. And yeah, and I'll do overlocking stitches here to cover up like I did here. So yeah, that's basically what is left now. And here at the end here, I will equally fold it like so, fold it twice, and sew it down the both ends. So the next thing I will do before I show you guys the final look of our dress today, I'm going to use this trim. Let's trim. I'm going to use it to make a design. I'll turn it. This is still the wrong side. I'll turn it to the good side, and I'll place it, either I'll decide to go like this, place my trims like this, like V. I'll make a design till I'll go like so many times, as many as I can. Like I have a lot of it. The trims are a lot, so like this is like 2 yards of trim. I'll use it to make either any design. Either I go like this or I go like the other way, V, or just round, go twice or 4 times to make it, just to elaborate the design, make it beautiful. So I will do that and I'll come back to show you guys the final look. Almost we are done. Yeah, yes, this is the final look of our Kaftan short dress. Isn't it beautiful? I'm loving the dress. It's so beautiful, especially the lace trim here. I designed this by myself. I told you guys. So this is the outcome. It's looking beautiful. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you guys next time. Bye.